Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, a little XRP update here. And remember to watch more into the video here and like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below to heighten your education as we get more in depth as the video goes on and get through some of this and to get more into some technical analysis and critical information on the XRP price, but a brief synopsis of the XRP price. And make sure that you stick around for the whole video. It's a long video, but there's a lot of education and information that you all have to know and can't afford to miss. But the XRP price is still trading sideways to Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. Bell notification, like the channel, subscribe, and share so you can get educated and get that information you need, most importantly, to identify, spot, and discard quickly the fleece heisters and shysters. And yes, oh yes, once again, Fit Boy Crypto, the big lummox, the charlatan, the YouTube fleecer and heister that sells out his audience at any and every turn, anywhere he can make an extra dollar off you, yes, you, his hard-earned followers, fucking money and subscribers. He tries to milk you out of courses and classes and trading and shorting. And now he's coming out and has seems to have merged with a existing cryptocurrency coin, and now he's got what he is calling VINCENZO'S, and he's trying to fleece his audience once again because this guy is nothing more than a YouTube paid promoter, charlatan, to put out misdirection, misinformation, so you can misallocate your capital and get hammered and brought down to the literal and figuratively poorhouse. And that's what this guy's doing. And let's hear a little bit what he has to say. You need to stop listening to this man. He's out there for one reason and one reason only: to spread the criminal gangsters that have infiltrated the cryptocurrency market along with the Federal Reserve and the United States government that I've been talking about since I came on these airwaves. He is part of it, and he has been infiltrated since the start of his channel, and they have promoted him and poured millions of dollars into his channel. In my own personal opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, and he is paid to promote the misinformation so you can misallocate your money and get fleeced as hard as humanly possible, while the shysters and con men on the other end of these coins, like Bencoin, crypto Bencoin, Boy, Bencoin, and they walk away with your fucking money and these coins. Yes, these fucking coins, like Bencoin, the newest one, go down 99 fucking percent.
They wanted to associate it with a dog coin because they wanted to be a meme coin. And the issue is that they used a copyrighted image from some show. I didn't even know what show.
Already, listen to what he's saying. The company that he wanted to get involved with and did get involved with wanted to be nothing more than a meme coin, nothing more than a momentum coin, no utility, no use case with the coin. They just wanted to capitalize off of the hype train and the momentum that they could generate from a YouTube salesman and a YouTube promoter and somebody with a big audience that could shill and fleece and shyst and fucking heist his audience while him, Ben Armstrong, and the creators behind the coin get fucking rich as they unload the coin to you. Yes, you, the fucking subscribers, because you're nothing more. He is nothing more than a pimp. And his hoes are you. Yes, you are the hoes, the subscribers that buy the classes, buy the courses, buy this and that he sells for $400 to $5,000 for a course or a class or an informational educational thing that he sells in this fucking shitcoin.
It is. It's like a dog and a cat. I think the cat's name's Tom. They made a Tom coin out of that cat. Yada, yada, yada. Well, they got a takedown notice. Ben.eth got a takedown notice about the copyright. And that's what
That's right. Ben.eth is this guy's crypto scam coin that he's now involved in. And yeah, they got a takedown notice because they lack even the most basic substance in business and education and gravitas, as we would say, as they don't even do the basic work of, does anybody have this logo? Does anybody have the name of this coin? Basic bullshit they don't even do because they're not in it for the long haul. They're in it to spread the momentum and spread the hype and spread the fraud and Ponzi scheme of a useless coin with no utility, the Ben.com coin, the Ben.eth coin, as quickly as possible to get as much money out of you before the whole thing rolls over on itself and you wake up and go, what the fuck did I just buy and lose all my money to? This man, his pool, his big house, his mansion, his car and private jets. and TRX Ram are all paid by you. Yes, you, the hoes, because he's the pimp and you are the hoe, and you will buy anything the pimp, Mr. Ben Armstrong, tells you to.
Say we need a new logo. So I put on the contest. We have a new logo. Maybe my graphic designer can pop it up here. Boop. There it is. There's a new logo for Bitcoin. Well,
there's the new coin to get fleece heisted and shisted and lose all your hard-earned fucking money on my useless coin with no utility that will go down 99%.
what happened today is we had a series of cascading events. Now, you guys know the Bitcoin Foundation been in charge of Bitcoin now for 2 days.
Yes, for 2 days. And now, in just the past 2 days since I've taken over Ben Armstrong, it's up 100% because I've been shilling it to my millions of followers and subscribers and my loyal believers that get fleece heisted and shisted, just like Peepcoin. I'm going to show you Peepcoin in a minute, and we're going to show you the Peepcoin and the Ben coin, and they're both going to fleece you out of a 99% loss and then on the contrary, Ben Armstrong's going to buy another Lambo, and here you go. Here's the two coins that will guaranteed old Vincenzo, and the first one has already come to pass. Peepcoin. Remember when Ben Armstrong, just a few short weeks ago, back in early May, this thing was rallying up to its all-time high after the coin dumped, after it came out to fleece a few people here. It capitulates down about 80%. Everyone loses all their money, and then it skyrockets. And then this guy, this fleece heister and shyster that we're exposing again, has the price of Peepcoin way up here. So he starts shilling it, saying this thing is a meme coin. This thing isn't a coin of the future, but it's something that you need to jump on. And he uses that as plausible deniability by saying that I told you this was just a meme coin. I told you this thing could go down. I told you this thing could capitulate in upon itself, and it was very risky. But then at the same time, he promotes that you should buy it and shows you a fancy $150,000 car and says he makes all kinds of money off this, and then decides use my link down below to buy this coin, and then bam, like Old Vincenzo told you when it was up here, we said this thing was going to come down, and this thing was going to come down fast, and it did. Since that fleece heisting and shisting, and watch that video from back then, I exposed him on this and told you it was going to come down. When it was up here, we told you it was coming way down, and it had a 75% crash in a matter of 6 days and 4 hours. And now, 19 days and 12 hours after the fleecing commenced, or 20 days, it's down 67.71%. And this thing has the volume declining. Eventually, this volume is going to be down here, and it's going to be looking like some of these other coins that the volume goes way down, never touches again, and then just sits down and keeps going down. And something that I can show you with, I don't know if this man still follows me, but he used to love this coin. He used to talk about this coin, and he used to bring this coin up only when it went up, right? When it would have its little pumps. And something like, well, AAV is still up from its last major pump. That's not the coin I was looking for. There's another coin. I forgot where it was. And it's so far down and depressed now. There we go. DApp's a good one. When this thing was first out, this is a very good example of what I'm looking for. It was oh yeah, this is the coin. It was way up there. Look at that. And when I caught it by this guy, when he wanted to try to play these pumps and dumps, was back in here. And then look at this. It just kept rolling over on itself. And everybody thought down here it would come back up, right? Because look how high it was once. It was way up there. It was almost at, well, I don't know what that was. If it was ever up there, holy fuck. And then it came way down and got way deep down and depressed. And that's what these coins are going to do. The Ben Armstrong special, the Ben Armstrong fleece heisting and shisting in crypto is commencing. And that's where that Peep coin's going. And it's going to go down another 99% from where it's at now in the next couple of years. And the same thing with this, the Ben wrapped ETH coin. And I've looked, and this is his coin. And Ben Crypto shyster fleecing his subscribers again. Price late 2023, 99% crash. And that's what I'm expecting. Greater than a 99% crash. And why is he promoting this coin? Look what it did. Similar to what Peepcoin did that day. Look at this. I don't even know. I can't even measure this shit. I don't know what's going on there. Let's pull out our industry exclusive measuring tool again. What's the percentage at? Well, Ben Armstrong is trying to, it can't even show a fucking percentage gain. That's weird. I don't know what's going on with that. But this thing's going to fleece, and this thing's going to fleece hard. And I don't understand why this thing won't measure. That's very frustrating. I don't get it. What, you can't fucking figure out how to measure this bull? Look at the coin's so shitty, it can't even measure it. Oh, because the price is essentially at zero. But this thing is going to do this. Here's what I'm trying to tell you. This coin's coming all the way down here, and then it's coming all the way down here, and then it's going to go fucking negative. It's going bankrupt. You need to stop with the fleece heisting and shysting.